Welcome to the in front of me STK Life 9, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and right there you'll see the edit icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here, we got our two sections, the up section and the down section, and here are all your visible icons on your notification panel. And just if you wanna, and there are icons that you can add to your notification bar, and if you wanna add one, for example, if you wanna just add here to your notification panel one from this icon, you just should hold for a while this icon and drag here to the up position. And as can you see, that's really simple. By the same way, you can add here, for example, the location icon. And if you want to remove the icons from your notification panel, you just should, by the same way, hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this down position, for example, like this. And also you can change the positions of your icon here on the notification panel. Just hold them for a while and drag it to the section where you want to just change by this way. And then just to save all the changes, go back and you will see all the changes on your notification panel. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.